Well, hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about sales tax and how to file a sales tax form via the paper route. This option, you may want to take if you have not received your Webfile number just yet, or you lost it, but you still want to get your sales tax done. So I'm going to make this quick, easy, and to the point for you. First thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to the controller's website. So this is for the state of Texas, and we are going to use the Texas sales tax form right here, the 01114, and I'll be sure to put this in the description box below. Once you get there, this form is going to come up. Now I've already pre-filled this form, but I'll go over it with you. So essentially, what you're going to do, you definitely don't want to be intimidated by this at all. This is very simple and to the point. And you just need to have your taxpayer number, your business address, and then how much you made in sales and how much were taxable. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put in your taxpayer number, and then you're going to put in your filing period. And the reason why I pre-did this is because if you do not have an accurate taxpayer number, it'll keep giving you error messages. So that's the reason why this is kind of pre-filled. But one thing I want to add is for quarter ending. Okay, you want to add that in there, and then just make it 20. Okay, so that's what you want to do, and then you want to put your due date right here. The next thing you're going to do, if you have any address that if it's your mailing address changed, or if you're no longer at a business location has changed, you'll blacken these boxes here. Or, if one of your locations is out of business, you'd blacken number 3. All right. And then, so you're going to continue to go down. If you had no sales, you would just blacken this box. However, if you do have sales, we're going to continue on. All right. In this example, we're pretending we do have sales. All right. So are you going to be taking credit to reduce taxes on the return? And so if you have any bad debt or anything like that, in this case, no. And also, did you refund sales tax from items exported outside of the U.S.? No, as well. All right. And so then in this example, we have $1,000 in sales that we made for the quarter. And then $500 of that is actually taxable. And so we're going to say we didn't make any taxable purchases. Then the next thing we're going to do, $500 is subject to taxes on the state level, and then $500 on the city and county level. All right. So essentially, this was already pre-filled as the 0.0625. So you just take your taxable amount, which is $500, and multiply that by the state tax rate. That should give you $31.25. And then for the county and city rate, in the city of Dallas, it would be 0.022%, and that's $10. So give us a total of 8.25% for sales tax. All right. And so as you can see, this says include in item 8A, including item 8B. Here is 8A and here is 8B. So essentially bring your $31.25 right here, bring your 10 right here. All right. So we have no prepayment credits. So we're going to subtract the $31.25 from 0. And that's just going to give us our number. We're just bringing it down. And we're going to bring it all the way down because let's say we have no timely filing discount or prior payments. So bring it down. Okay. State and local amount due right here. Add these together. Okay. So it's $41.25. That's going to be what we pay to the state for that quarter. All right. And then please don't forget, which I just did, but I put it on there. Your company name, your address is going to go right here as well. And then you're also going to put your name and address right here as well. So as you can see, this is for example purposes. So I don't have a valid number in there. All right. So make sure you fill this part, your name and address, and then this part. Okay. And then you are going to go to the very bottom of this form. I got to shrink it down a little bit. See if I can move it some. Okay. And you're going to put your taxpayer name. You're going to sign it and date it, and then put a phone number right here. All right. And that is that simple. So then you're going to print the form out, and then you're going to send it to the comptroller. And you're going to make your check payable to the comptroller as well. All right. And this information is all on the website. And look, here you go. There it is right there. So once you print this out, you're going to pretty much make, if you do a check or money order, you'll make it out to the state comptroller. But here's the mailing address. So you can print it out, mail it to them. So if you file this and you don't send any money, please be sure to send it as quickly as possible. And here is the address that you're going to send it to. Okay. The time of this recording is October the 26th, 2020. So this may change as the years progress by. But right now, this is what it is. So if you need to file a paper form for your sales tax for the state of Texas, I just showed you how to do that. You simply just go to the comptroller's website and you're going to use that form 01-114 and fill that out. Be sure to print that and then send it off, and then you're good to go. And make sure you send your payment as well, or pay at a later date when you get your Webfile situated. You can pay on credit card when you do Webfile. I'll do another video running through how to file your sales tax via Webfile. So Webfile is a lot simpler than doing it this way. It's a little less tedious because you have to print it off and mail it and all that good stuff. So hopefully this video you learned something and it was of service to you. My name is Ashanti Titus, and I'm over at Profit Mode Financial Services. If you need any help with catching up on your sales tax or your franchise tax or your payroll taxes or anything like that, we are definitely here to help you. We do provide consultations for an hour that start at $75. Please click the link below and see if we have some times available for you, and we'll be able to assist you and give you that advice that you need to further your business, to make sure that you're saving money and you're saving time and you're not falling behind on very important issues like this. In a previous video, I talked about how if your sales tax was not filed in a timely manner or filed at all, you can be subjected to having your business account having a lien placed against it. I've seen it happen where people were not able to access any of the money in their business bank account, which really took a toll on them financially as well as in business as well, because they had vendors that they needed to pay and all of those items were bouncing back. So you definitely don't want to be in that situation. So feel free to email me, Ashanti at profit-mode.com. You can also click the link below to set up a consultation with me. They start at $75 for an hour, and we can come up with a game plan to get everything together and to further progress your business. Again, I hope that your week has been great, and I hope that it is prosperous and productive. And until next time, we'll see you soon. Bye.